Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove a photo from favorites gallery in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Let's go to our gallery, albums. We have one photo in our favorite gallery. As you can see, this little symbol, red heart in top right corner. So albums. Let's remove this picture from this gallery. We tap it once and our favorite is right here. Bottom left, tap it once and now our picture is unfavorited and now it's in the main gallery as it was in the beginning. No little heart icon. It's now in default folder. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.